Welcome to this video on safety tips for operating a drilling machine. In this session, we'll walk you through important guidelines to help you work safely, protect yourself, and prevent accidents while using a drilling machine. Let's dive in. Wear proper personal protective equipment, PP. The first line of defense when operating a drilling machine is the right PP. Before turning on the drill, make sure you're equipped with safety glasses, gloves, dust masks or respirators, hearing protection. Equally important, wear fitted clothing, tie back long hair, and avoid loose accessories like watches, ties, or jewelry that can get caught in the machine. Secure the workpiece properly. One of the most common mistakes made by new operators is trying to hold a material by hand while drilling. This is dangerous and leads to poor results. Always secure the workpiece using clamps to lock the material firmly on the workbench, vices to hold metal or heavy parts in place, specialized jigs for repetitive or precision drilling. Choose the right drill bit and speed. Using the wrong drill bit or speed is one of the fastest ways to damage your material, overheat the machine, or cause accidents. Every drilling task requires a bit and speed that matches the material type and hole size. For wood, use brad point bits or spade bits, paired with higher RPMs for faster cuts. For metal, stick with high-speed steel, HSS, or cobalt bits, and operate at slower speeds to prevent overheating. For masonry or concrete, use carbide-tipped masonry bits with hammer drills, ensuring proper cooling and dust control. Keep hands clear of the drill bit. One of the most common causes of drilling injuries is contact with the rotating bit. Even at low speeds, the sharp edges can cut deeply or catch loose clothing, gloves, or jewelry. To stay safe, always secure the material with a clamp or vise, never hold it by hand while drilling. Keep your fingers at least a few inches away from the spinning bit. Do not wear loose sleeves, dangling jewelry, or long hair without tying it back. Never attempt to stop the bit with your hands, even if the drill is slowing down. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.